Compact, lightweight and easy to use. With the W150 WAGNER wood and metal sprayer, you can work quickly and easily at all times. A sophisticated fine spraying system for low-viscosity solvent and water-based wood and metal paints, including gloss, satin, undercoat, stain, varnish, wood preservatives, primers and oils. The compact, practical W150 is the ideal tool for small and medium-sized projects. A smooth, even finish? That's now possible quickly in just a single coat. Clever solutions. The paint jet can be adjusted depending on your project. The W150 is suitable for countless projects. For example, for wooden fencing, garage doors, decking, garden furniture and other wood or metal surfaces. There's no longer any need to cut in corners or edges. The W150 does all this for you in a single coat. WAGNER's smart, versatile spray system saves you time and effort. Time to enjoy life and relax with friends. Just as you expect from WAGNER, the unit is ready to use in a matter of minutes. Align the suction tube in the direction of spraying. Forwards if you are mainly spraying downwards, or backwards when predominantly working overhead. The paint jet can be adjusted to your project. The W150 makes work easy. Whether vertical, horizontal, or even detailed spraying. It's not a problem because the spray nozzle can be adjusted to 3 different settings quickly and easily. And the paint volume can also be fully adjusted using a rotary control to suit your working speed. When you want to start painting, simply fill the container with paint, screw it on and click the turbine into place. Then do a quick test spray to familiarize yourself with the device settings, and you're ready to go. The W150 wood and metal sprayer is also very easy to clean. Return the remaining paint to the original container and clean the individual parts with warm water or solvent if using solvent-based paint. And the W150 is ready for your next job. Of course, a wide range of versatile and, most importantly, practical accessories are available for the W150. Turn the handle extension downwards and simply change the spray attachments with the practical Click&Paint system. Of course, if you want to achieve the best possible results, it is advisable to prepare the surfaces properly beforehand. If necessary, sand the surface and ensure it is free from dust and grease. Perform a spray test before starting work in order to try out and adjust the spray setting as required. Remember to adjust the W150 spray jet to match your working direction. To help you do this, the nozzle has 3 different settings. It's also important to maintain the correct spraying distance at all times. This will guarantee a perfectly uniform paint application. And finally, one last trick to avoid the laborious task of masking. Just mask the areas you don't want to coat with a piece of cardboard or similar material. It doesn't get any faster or slicker than this. WAGNER brings color to your life. For more information, visit www.wagner-group.com.